Hello, welcome back to the channel. Glad you came back to join me for a plan with me. Yes, my friends, it's been a long while since I planned. I had to take a break. I had so much going on that I'm going to say that so much was going on, I didn't even have enough time to write it down and to get back into my planning. And I noticed that when I wasn't doing it, I was like getting so behind in some things, not knowing where I was supposed to be next because I use my planner for everything. So I'm back here with a plan with me for the week of July 18th through the 24th. And I will be getting my plans back in shape so that I can make sure that I stay on top of things. Because I've dropped a couple of things that I was like, oh, shoot, I didn't know I didn't do that because I didn't keep my plans the way I did. So what's inspiring this plan is I bought this paper from Parklane from Joann's, and it's called the Simple Life. And I'm going to use some of the ephemera and stuff to build this plan with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over here, and like I usually do, and work on one page at a time. I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying your summer. I'm hoping that you're enjoying your now and whatever it is that you're supposed to do. I've had a few ups and downs and things with people. A few friends have kind of passed on since I talked to you last. And it kind of makes you want to get in there and say, I'm not wasting any more time with the way I do things. I'm not going to hold on to things that's not bringing me joy. I'm just going to do the things that's going to make me happy. And so for this new getting back into it, I'm into enjoying the now. Whatever the now is, that's what I'm going to enjoy. That's what I'm going to do. That's where I'm going to put the majority of my focus. Everything seems to be so different, so out of place. Here I'm going to add, one of the reasons why I bought that paper pack is because of this little mouse and these strawberries. And he seemed to be having such a good time getting these strawberries. And I know some people don't like mice and stuff like that. I don't even know if I like mice, but I knew I liked him with the little strawberries, and I knew that I thought that was cute. And so that became my goal with this and planning all this. So I just kind of just enjoy things, enjoy what's happening, enjoy, like this one says, enjoy the little things. Just go in, be happy with you. I'm sorry. See, I haven't planned. You can tell I haven't planned in a while because I got all this junking around going on and everything. But I must admit, I have been having fun. I have stepped up to things that I like to do. I'm just kind of just getting me. Just kind of liking me right now and what's going on with me. And so that has been just one of the fun things. So I have been putting stuff out in my channel. I have been doing a little more crafting than I've done before. I'm adding more crafting to what I do. And boy, I'm enjoying that. Boy, I'm enjoying just coming down to the craft room, just sitting here and going, all right now, this is what I'm about to do. So I've enjoyed that. And oops, can't get this out of there. So I have this. It's a list that's part of this paper pack. This part of this ephemera that you can get at Joann's. And it has this little checklist that I'm going to put here that says things to do. I'm going to put that there like that near the little mouse. I'm going to add Let's see, what else do I have here? I'm gonna add a flower. Oh, I think I got enough flowers. I think I want to add the one thing that all flowers need. It needs a bee. Everything needs a bee these days. I'm gonna put bee right there. I'm gonna put bee right there. You know, I gotta get back into my planning and the way I did my planning, because I'm having a difficult time here visualizing the way I want things to go. I don't know if I want bee there. I don't know if I want bee there. I think what I want to continue is, move this guy. See how when you don't plan in a while and you're trying to get yourself back into doing it, you're having a hard time with the way you lay things out and visualize everything. At least that's what I'm doing right now. I usually, before, I would have everything in my head the way I wanted it, and then I could get it done that way. But here, today, I seem to be having just a little difficulty here. But so I think I'm gonna let this page be it. I think I'm gonna let that page be it. And then I'm gonna move along here. Here, I like another one of the little mice. And he's eating his strawberries. Over here, I like the strawberries. I'd like some flowers all around the perimeter here, just to get you into the thinking thing. And you know what else happened this year? This year, I usually plant my garden out in my backyard. I'm not doing my garden this year. I went out and cleaned up all my beds and got everything ready, but I didn't go ahead and plant it up. So I don't have my garden this year. So I feel a little bit bad about that, but I didn't think I was quite where I need to be to get more done. So I was only able to get a little bit done, and I want to add this guy back to it. So it's kind of my little mouse journal, my little mouse bee thing. And no thing is good with flowers without a few bees. You gotta have some bees. So I got some bees in my backyard where my flowers used to be. I need to drop a few, need to drop a strawberry right there. So I like that. I need another little bee trickling down over here. All right, let me put my pages together and see if I'm liking it. Tell me what you think. Tell me, you know, because I'm just getting back into my planning. Haven't done this in a while. Trying to make sure I, have my feel and my look. And I think I like it. I think I do like it. But it takes a while once you step away to get back into your feel. So I'm hoping I got it. Tell me what you think of my plan for the week with my little mice, strawberries and bees and flowers. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for coming back and joining me for my plan with me. I know I haven't done one in a while, but I'm planning on trying to be more consistent with it, and I need it. The bad thing is that I figured out, I didn't do it for a while, and I figured out how much I need it. So thanks for joining me. Thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. Please enjoy your week. Be the reason somebody smiles, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.